Pakistan International Airlines misfortunate flight P.K.8.3.0.3 from Lahore to Karachi suffered an air crash close to Jinnah International Airport, Karachi on 22 May 2020. 97 out of 99 souls on board lost their valuable lives. However, 2 passengers survived miraculously. In addition, there was one fatality on ground. Immense trauma caused by the unfortunate air crash was felt by national and international community alike. Air crash investigation was ordered immediately by Federal Government of Pakistan with constitution of Air Crash Accident Investigation Team from AIB Pakistan. Despite restrictions due to COVID-19 pandemic and related challenges, by now the team has collected all required evidences and is presently working on draft final report. Minister for Aviation has extended deep condolences and sympathies with the grieved families and friends of victims of ill-fated air crash, and has assured that the final report will be made publicly available at the earliest.